Hello everyone, my name is Anand Kaushal and I am working as a housekeeping lecturer with Western College of Hotel Management, Vijayawada. In my this video, I am going to talk about the various tasky cleaning agents which are used in hotel. Before that, I would like to explain what is cleaning agent or definition of cleaning agent. Cleaning agents are those substances which are used to remove dust, dirt, stains from different surfaces. To name some cleaning agents in common, we have water, we have abrasives, we have floor sealers, we have floor strippers, then we have deodorizer, disinfectant, toilet cleaners. Apart from that, we are using the Tasky cleaning agents, which I am going to explain in detail. Before explaining about the Tasky chemical, I am going to talk about the history of Diversey company. The Diversey Corporation was founded on August 4, 1923 by Mr. August Koch and his elder son, Mr. Herbert W. Koch in Chicago. In year 1996, the Unilever company purchased most of its Diversey from Molson Group and renamed it as Diversey Lever. In year 2002, Johnson Wax Professional then purchased the Diversey Lever and then it was renamed Johnson Diversey Incorporation. In year 2010, Johnson Diversey changed the name to Diversey Incorporation. In year 2011, Sealed Air Corporation purchased this company. In year 2017, Bain Capital announced that it is going to purchase the Diversey Care division of Sealed Air. Now, let's talk about the Tasky chemicals. These are the cleaning agent which are being provided with a specific code. For example, R1, R2, R3. The alphabet capital R stands for room care. Now I am going to explain in details about each and every chemical with their uses and the dilution. So the first chemical which comes in the Tasky list is Tasky R1. Tasky R1 is used for cleaning and sanitizing of bathroom and toilet surface. The areas to be cleaned are all bathroom surfaces like sink, tub, tiles, floors and fittings. For cleaning, the dilution is 20 ml in 1 liter and for sanitizing 50 ml in 1 liter of water. The next chemical is Tasky R2. It is also called as all-purpose or hygienic hard surface cleaner. The areas to be cleaned are all types of floors and walls. The dilution of R2 for normal soiling 20 to 40 ml in 1 liter of water and for heavy soiling 50 ml in 1 liter of water. The next chemical is Tasky R3, which is also called as glass cleaner and mirror cleaner. The areas to be cleaned by using R3 windows, mirrors, glass display cases. The dilutions are 20 to 50 ml in 1 liter of water. The next chemical is Tasky R4, which is also called as furniture polish or furniture cleaning or furniture maintainer. The areas to be cleaned are all wooden floors and furnishing and it is ready to use. Next chemical is Tasky R5, which is also called as air freshener or room freshener. And again it comes in ready to use. No need to dilute further. The next chemical is Tasky R6, which is also called as toilet bowl cleaner, heavy duty toilet bowl cleaner. This is used in the toilet bowls and urinals for the removal of lime scale, stains and other residues. Again it is ready to use and no need to dilute further. The next chemical in the Tasky list is Tasky R7 for the removal of oil and grease. It is a non-abrasive cream cleaner for water resistant hard surface. For diluting normal soiling 20 to 40 ml in 1 liter of water, and for heavy soiling 50 ml in 1 liter. The next chemical is Tasky R9. The Tasky R9 is used for removing hard stains from bathroom walls and fittings. The dilution is 50 ml in 1 liter of water as per the staining requirement. Even you can increase the dilution. One more chemical is there in between, that is also called as Tasky R8. Though it is not commonly used, but we should know about this chemical, that is Tasky R8. Tasky R8 is kettle descaler. It is highly effective acid base descaler for kettles, kitchen equipment, shower head, etc. Now again this comes ready to use and no need to dilute further. So this was all about the Tasky cleaning agent. I hope you all liked it. So I hope you all have learned something about the cleaning agent. In my next video, I am going to post about the cleaning equipments in details. Till then, stay tuned. Thank you.